You must be very pleased with the outcome of the decision.
I am. This was a very important case for the citizens of Northampton County. We had a law enforcement officer killed in the line of duty. The defendant had a very good lawyer and put up an argument of voluntary manslaughter, and because there was issues whether his dogs were threatened, there was some doubt about whether a jury would listen to his side of the story. But obviously, I think we dispelled his story in this case, and the verdict was reached rather quickly, considering. So I'm very pleased, and now we have to move forward for the jury to consider any sentencing options.
35 minutes, that's amazing.
It's a very quick verdict for a case like this, but again, I thought the evidence was strong, we put all the facts before the jury, and they were very attentive, so I'm very pleased with the outcome.
Do you think there's a piece of testimony or evidence that totally nailed it down for you?
Well, I think that sometimes we overlook the simplicity of things. And the fact of the matter is, this police officer was shot in the back of the head. And I think most people use common sense, and they know that a police officer coming on the property has a right to go investigate. They're not causing any harm to this individual. And he was shot in the back of the head with a shotgun. What else you can say?
What's next at this point?
Monday morning, we're going to reconvene this jury, and we'll start the penalty phase. And there'll be some victim impact testimony from some family members.
When you say penalty phase, you mean death penalty?
Death penalty, or life imprisonment will be options for the jury. Yes.
You're obviously going to fight for the death penalty. You said from the beginning that you thought this was suitable.
This is a case where the legislature has made an aggravating factor, killing a law enforcement officer in the line of duty. I think it's a case that the jury has to hear, and they'll decide whatever they decide. But I think this is important that we do have first-degree murder, and so we'll let the jury figure out the rest.